Like, that was fun for like a hot minute. But like, it's actually so scary when you're like just entering because there's like a lot of rocks. I don't think I almost like, I think I even chipped my toenails. Like, see, my pedicure, well, it's ruined already anyway, so, hey. I'm gonna get in the water now, but it just has been so much fun. I have no words for this experience. Like, yeah, you should definitely, if you come to Bali and you're in Ubud, definitely come check out the waterfall, because it's big. It's amazing. Looking for dinner. Okay, I think I might go to this place. Hello, Cafe Dimo Summit. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I don't know, I haven't seen any place that I like. Hello. Oh, you also do nails. Alright, I'm out for dinner. I've had a really long day. Actually, ridiculous how tired I am. I'm just out. I want to eat food and I think go home. I was thinking maybe there's some sort of nightlife around here because it's like there's a lot of young people around, but it doesn't seem like it. There's not really any clubs or anything like that. There's no like, there's not really a nightlife. Yeah, it's okay though. Sorry, I guess people are really tired and drained after the whole day. They're not really, I don't know, I'm not catching a party vibe or anything like that. So I'm at this nice restaurant. I forgot the name even. I just walked in because it looked really nice. Like that, this was, because I was looking at all the other places and I was just, even though it's like a little empty, I don't understand why. That should actually be a red flag because I saw another place that had more people and I wanted to go there, but it looked like it was full. And I think that's actually the place I should have gone. It's right across the street there, but I opted for here. I don't know, because it looked nice. So I guess, you know me, like, I think something just looks nice, then I think it's caught my attention. Yeah. I'm so tired, you guys. Like, I've had such a long day. I just want to eat because I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten since lunch. I'm so hungry. I ordered a burger and yeah, burger comes with french fries and with the Coke. I just got here. Yeah, I'm so happy. This is the place. It's kind of nice. Yeah, but I'm really happy about this food. Look at this burger. Oh my god. Like I said, you can never go wrong. Oh my gosh. Let me dive in. Okay. Oh my god. Really good. Burger is really good. I'm very happy. Hey guys, so today is day 3 in Bali, and today I'm doing something a little bit more interesting. Well, a little different rather. Not that the other things I've been doing aren't interesting, but today my mind and my eye are hunting for the arts and culture around Bali. So I'm gonna spend today really paying attention to their arts, their craftsmanship, you know, their use of materials, their architecture. Yeah, I'm really taking notes on what I can take back and what I can really be inspired by. It's so much to do. And as beautiful as Bali is, like in terms of like nature, surrounding setting, but something that really sets them apart, I think, in terms of like a tropical tourist destination, is the fact that they're still very connected, like culturally, to you know, their traditional craftsmanship and traditional like you know, ways of art and beauty. Oh my god, that was bad. But yeah, I think it's really awesome. So I'm here to get inspired by that today. Hopefully take a lot of notes and take a lot of ideas back home. So I'm going to be starting already just at my hotel room. There's a lot of inspiration. So today's video is all about cool things that I see in Bali. Can I grab the rice? Yeah. Okay. Wow. I just found this a really cool place. This is like a French restaurant. It's so lovely. Look at the decor. Oh my goodness. So lovely. Look at that. Wow. I think I'm gonna sit here. Whoa. I like this place. Even their menu looks really, really good. That's why I came here. It has like some interesting food items. And there's like a mirror. Okay, their menu looks really good, and these prices are not so bad also. These are really good prices. So, yeah, this is the place. Very French restaurant cafe life. You know? Here's the plate setting. It's really this cool fusion. Like, I love this. I can't believe it. Cool. Yeah, I'm a little sweaty. Look at my eyebrows. Yep. Last day here. It's been a magical experience. I have no words. I'm just gonna miss this place. It's so, like, look at that. Take me in for the last time. Yeah, Bali, it's been real. Heading to the airport now to catch my flight. Wow, like, Bill, this one is for you. I know you like airports. My goodness, look at this place. Wow. So here I am. I just arrived at, what is this? Depansar Airport. I'm gonna be waiting here to catch my next flight to Singapore. Yeah. I'm gonna be waiting a little while though. Yeah. But it's okay. I know how to keep myself occupied. So yeah. Alright. Y'all, so I'm at the airport, right? Oh my gosh, so I've been sitting here. I came in, right? I came in and like I went and I sat there, like I've been sitting at like a cafe, right? And I didn't like know, but somehow I moved this side and I just happened to look there and see there's a whole like garden down. Like what the? This is not outside. This is in the airport. Look, 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 look. You see? It's inside. Crazy. It's lovely. Look at that. A whole park and everything. Hey. Wow. I think it's like one of those half in, half out situations. Oh, okay.